Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to copy the style of the element. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you liked my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I'm here, I just already inserted 3 letters on my Canva with 3 different font style. This one just a standard Canva sense, but now I'm changing to this moon regular, plus would like to change the color like to purple and go into the effects and add some outline. So if I would like to use a same font style, font type and font style in a letter B, I just have to click on the element, click on the 3 dots, copy style, and just have to click to the letter B. It doesn't work on a letter C. This copy style works only once. Actually, here the same icon, copy style. If I click on it, you see style copied to the clipboard, and you can see the icon of the mouse is changed, and I can just click on this letter C, and this one also changed to the same style, the same font type, and the same style as the other two. And if you'd like to add this, insert these 3 letters to the center, there is a nice trick. I just have to select all 3. I just have to group it, position, and go into the center. And now I can ungroup it. If I'm just selecting all 3 and not group it, I just go into the center. The Canva moving all 3 letters to the center. This is a trick to select all and group, and in this case these 3 characters became only one element. Then I can move it to the center, then I can ungroup it, and in this case the B is in the center. Then you can see it's already everything is nicely done. But I forgot before one important thing. I'm going back to positions and tidy up first. In this case, the letter B will be actually in between the A and C. Actually, if you have more elements on the Canva and using this tied up, the system will measure the distance between the first and the last element and dividing by the times how many elements you have and insert them equally. So now I can do it again. So I just selecting all, group. That's already in the middle, nice, ungroup. So I have 3 elements in the same distance to each other, and actually the center one is in the middle. But actually this video was about the copying style. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. Hope so you like it. And if you really like it, please do not forget to click this small like button, subscribe to my channel, and please write any comment. If you're struggling anything in Canva, please let me know, and then try to create a tutorial about it. If you just have any ideas or would like to know something about, please feel free to comment and I try to answer it. So thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.